Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your Twitter setting to see sensitive content on your Twitter. So we will just go to Twitter app here. Is not app. We will just go to Google. We will click here on Google. So we will click on Google Chrome. Then you're just looking for Twitter or search for Twitter. It's going to open your Twitter account, and you just click here on app in your this is picture, and it's going to show for you this window, and you just click here on settings on in support. Then you go down, you click here on settings and privacy. Then you come to next window here like you say, and you just click here on privacy and safety, and then you come to this is window here like you say. So you just click here on content you say. Then you come to this window, you click here, you turn on this is mark here, display media that my content sensitive content. You will click here on this is mark here like you say is show for us this color, that's mean it's turned on. So then you click here on search settings, and you come to head sensitive content, you go to turn off, you just click here on this is mark, and like you say this is color it's gone, that's mean head sensitive content it's turned off. So and you go to your Twitter app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Then you follow this is ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.